Welcome, friend. Today we're going to talk about 3 European secrets that I've been using for two of them I've been using for years, and one I just recently found out about. So if we haven't met, my name is Beth, and I'm a dermatology PA, 61 years old, and I have almost 25 years of experience. And today I'm recording from a condo bedroom because I'm at a conference and my usual editing equipment is not available. So this is going to be a little bit different video. So the first cream that I recently found out about is called Aven Cicaplast. And Cicaplast is a really cool cream because it's got zinc and copper in it, which are naturally antibacterial minerals. And it also has an ingredient called sucralfate, which is a big word that is a medication that I used to give people when I worked as a nurse in the ICU years ago, and it was called Carafate, and it was for people who had stomach ulcers. They coated their stomach and helped it heal from the ulcers. So this cream actually has that ingredient in it. So it does help wounds heal faster and without infection. So it's great for especially a fresh wound to heal it up to keep it from getting infected. Now that cream is available on Amazon, and some Targets will also carry it. So that is a very cool cream to know about. The second one is called Biafine Emulsion. And if you know me, you know that I've been loving it for many years. And it's super creamy. It's got a really nice feel to it. And the Biafine will send out signals to your immune cells to come faster. And if you look it up, it does say that studies have been done that showed macrophage recruitment, which is a fancy word for saying that the white blood cells have been sent a message to come faster. And it usually, in the studies, we're showing that it's worked in half the time as normally the wound would take to heal. So the Biafine has also been used, I've also used it as a moisturizer. It's been a very all-purpose cream for me for many years. You can use it on cuts, burns, and bruises. I usually apply it about like 2 to 4 times a day if I'm trying to heal something up. And it will heal it. You're not supposed to use it on deep cuts or 3rd-degree burns, which is good, I guess. I'm not sure exactly why, but I love it for more of the superficial injuries. But the Biafine is something that I always take with me on trips, and I always have it at the house. And you can get that on Amazon now. It is also made in France, and it used to be prescription in the United States, and it is not prescription in France. So the third European secret is called HelioCare, and HelioCare in the United States is available as a pill, and it's made out of a South American fern plant. Now this fern plant was discovered to be high in antioxidants. And so what it does is it will mop up the free radicals that are created when the UV radiation hits you from the sun. It causes damage. It will go around and help to repair that. So the HelioCare comes in regular and advanced. Advanced has extra vitamin B3 in it, which has also been shown to reduce like skin cancers and all kinds of stuff like that. So if you tend to get skin cancers, it's not a bad idea to take 2 of the advanced HelioCare. If you don't have a huge problem with that, then you may want to just take one of the regular ones. You can take them every day. And then if you're in a situation where you're like at Disneyland or you're hiking or something like that, you want to take an extra one about every 2 hours to help protect you from burning and help protect your skin from damage. And HelioCare, made in Spain, has also a bunch of other forms over there that are not available here, like you can get sunscreen and gummies for children and things like that. But that hopefully eventually we'll get something like that over here. So in the meantime, we can get HelioCare on Amazon, and some Walgreens will carry it. So that's what I have for you this week. And I hope you enjoyed it, got some value out of it. And if you want to like and subscribe, of course, I would appreciate it. And as always, I will see you in the next one.